Hi, my name is Michael Cooper. I work for FedEx Express Australia. I'm the senior manager who looks after our Victoria, Tasmania regional stations. It always feels good. I mean, first of all, it's nice to just be out with the team and doing something that's not just delivering packages. Well, we all love doing that. It's nice to be able to get together. I've got my drivers here, I've got supervisors, I've got my management team and myself from all different levels of the business. Just getting a chance to do something other than FedEx to connect with each other in the community. It's nice just to have a chat about more than what's going on in packages and FedEx and what's going on around us. This sounds like a really silly corporate response, but it is lovely to see organisations like ours and our peers in the community taking corporate social responsibility seriously and actually showing up for it. And that feels like it's meaningful, not to just our industry, but all other businesses around Australia. It's lovely to see corporate responsibility meaning something and showing up to be part of it.